Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the GDI+Windows error in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the SFC scan. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. In here, just type the following command and then press enter. Just wait because the scan can take some time, and afterwards restart your PC and then you can check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to run the power troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot section and select it. Now click on Other Troubleshooters, and afterwards scroll down until you find the Power Troubleshooter and click on the Run button next to it. Wait until Windows will scan for issues and fix them as soon as possible. You can also update the graphics card driver. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. Now in the Device Manager window, just double-click the display adapters and make sure to right-click the problematic device and select the Update Driver option. Now click on Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will try to find the best possible drivers for your PC. You can then check if the problem still persists. You can also check for the Windows updates. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and then on the left pane scroll down until you find the Windows update section and click on it, and afterwards on the right side just click on the blue check for updates button. Now Windows will try to scan for the best possible updates for your PC. Windows will then automatically install the latest updates, and then you can restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another great solution is to start the computer in clean boot. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type msconfig and select System Configuration from the search results. Now in here you have to do a few things. Firstly, in the General tab, make sure to tick the box next to Selective Startup, and afterwards untick the box next to Load Startup Items. Now access the Boot tab and make sure to tick the box next to Safe Boot under Boot Options. And lastly, just access the Services tab. In here, all you have to do is check the box next to Hide all Microsoft services, and afterwards just click on Disable all to disable all the unnecessary services which might cause the issues. Lastly, just click on Apply and OK to save the changes. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.